students, now from one or two examples, it will be more clear to you that how we can form the smallest and greatest 4-digit number by using the set of 4 digits. Now, first we have selected 4 digits, and these 4 digits are 2, 4, 1 and 8. Now the 4 digits which we have selected are 2, 4, 1 and 8. How we can form the smallest 4-digit number from it? First of all, we will arrange these digits in the increasing order. You know increasing and decreasing order? We will arrange the digits in the increasing order. Like from these 4, if we have to arrange it in the increasing order, how we can arrange? 1, then 2, then 4 and then 8. So the smallest number which is formed from these 4 digits is 1248. Now if we want to make greatest 4-digit number using these 4 digits, for that we have to arrange the digits in the decreasing order. Now if we will arrange these digits in the decreasing order, what will come first? 8, then 4, then 2 and then 1. So the greatest number which is formed by using these 4 digits, is 8421. Now instead of these 4 digits, if I select here 3, 0, 5 and 7. If I select the digits 3, 0, 5 and 7, now from these 4 digits, if I have to make smallest and greatest 4-digit number, again the same method we will use. We will arrange the digits first in increasing order for making the smallest 4-digit number. In arranging it in increasing order, first which digit will come? 0. Then which digit will come? 3. Then which digit will come? It will be 5. And after that, which digit will come? The digit which is remaining is 7. But now students, you can see that we have not got 4-digit number. We have got 357. It is 3-digit number. So what we have to do in this case? We have to interchange these 2 digits, and the smallest number which will be formed from these 4 digits will be, what will be now? 3057. Got it? This only we have to interchange when 0. 1 digit we are having is 0. Now if we have to form greatest 4-digit number using these 4 digits, then we have to arrange the digits first in decreasing order. In decreasing order, which digit will come first? The digit which will come first is 7. Then after 7, which digit will come? After 7 we will have 5. After 5, which digit we are going to have? We are going to have after 5 which digit? Tell me fast. We are going to have 3. And after 3, which digit we are going to have? 0. So the greatest number which is formed from the given 4 digits now is 7, 5, 30, that means 7530. Got it now? Thank you.